Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Josephine and Cabo Verde. Today is sharing with you all. It's not going to be a long video, it's a sharp one, so there is no need to beat around this bush. It's all about my sunburn story. I have been suffering from sunburn for a very long time here in Cabo Verde because I work under the sun. It's not easy. When you come to Cabo Verde, there is this thing I want to say. If you are working inside the shop, that is, you are always sitting inside the shop, you are a stylist. Like when I was working as a stylist before with a Nigerian, I worked there for 2 months. My face was popping. If you see my face, persons, there are some people that will even be asking me, am I a Kevedian? Because if I style my hair, they could say, oh, you are looking like kind of Kevedian. You know, Kevedian got a curly hairs. They are more unnatural. They also make braids, but their natural hair is so giving. So when I started working under the sun, looking for clients, I work as a masseur, going to talk to tourists at the road and sometimes at the place of that is the shop entrance. Let me be serious with you guys. When you are living here in Cabo Verde, get it, leave it or take it. If you are working inside a shop, you are forming Gen Z, you no go see money. But when you are coming out to do the street hustle, you know what I mean by street hustle. When I say the street hustle, it's not to do all those other ones. So you come out to talk to clients, you are a stylist, you bring your flyer, or you want to make your, and most of the Senegalese ladies, they are into this. I know it's not easy currently because the police don't want people to come outside, work from your shop. They tell you, work from your shop, sit down at the place of your shop and look for your clients there. So today is showing you all the cream I use in clearing the sunburn, and I'm still on it. We haven't gotten to that perfection, but my face is popping, it's coming up, it's giving. So guys, let me show you all. And I'm going to be honest here, I did not buy this cream. I already took the photo. I'm going to look for it whenever it finished. It's my wifey, you know, I always talk about my wifey who works in a hotel and gave me this cream. There are even two. This is the first usage. When you use this sunburn within 4 days, and I'm not also coming to sun as usual because this period I decided to take leave. I've been indoors, and whenever I want to enter the sun, I apply it to my face. So guys, let me show you as I apply it, and after applying it, it can stay in your face for 1 hour, 2 hour, maybe 30 minutes. Then you wipe out with if it's any face cleanser or face moisturizer. I use face cleanser first before I use a face moisturizer. So guys, see as I apply it to my face, like, can you see my face now? I'm still on it. You see, it was worse, so worse before. And you know what sunburn can cause? It causes skin aging. I did suffer standing under the sun. Sometimes my boss could even say, take the one I use. You see? And those of you that always say Nigerian sun can roast, see, Cape sun is stronger than Nigerian sun. Is stronger than Senegal sun, because I always tell you guys that when I was coming, I stayed at Senegal for 2 weeks. Their sun there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. See, if you see somebody suffering from sunburn, you know, easy, you pity them. So let us rub the sunburn cream. It's a very sharp video. This is the cream here, written in Italian or Portuguese, I don't really know, but my husband said this is Portuguese and somebody said it's Italian. Something that makes me not to like this place is that they don't really use English to interpret. It's of a rare case, except the product is from English country. But when I was in Nigeria, most of these products, they interpret them in French, in Italian, in Spanish sometimes. So let me apply it. Can you see my face? It's coming up. It was hard before. If you have been watching my videos, if I make thumbnail unnatural face. You will see all this place will be red, 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 red. All this place will be red. But can you see it now? Oh my gosh, can you see? Hey, it's working just under 2 to 3 days. You see? Hey, so yeah, let's apply. You see? I think that is okay. You don't need to rub it too much, but I am going to be honest, guys. I always love to rub it more because I want active results. And something about this cream, you are not going to see it white like this. It's absorbed to the face and it looks like you just rub ordinary cream. So you see all these areas, the sunburn makes these areas to be dry and loose because it's kind of melting the eyes. I so far looking for money is not easy when you come to Cabo Verde. Except you want to do something contrary. If you want to double up your hustle, there was a girl here, I think she's still here. I came like a month plus before she came to this island. The time I was braiding hair with this Nigerian, that was when she came. She saw how my face was then. Then when she started seeing me later on, when I was working as a masseur, going to the roads to look for clients, she said, wait, were you not the one that I saw at a particular shop then? I said, yes. He said, oh, you have changed. What is happening? Look at your face, becomes red, darker. I said, yes, so that is how we see it. So guys, I am still on it. I haven't gotten to that stage, but it's already working fast. It's working fast. Try this cream. Try it. Let me hold it and show you guys again. You can screenshot if you've watched till here. This video is a very short one. Very, very short one. It's a very short one. Can you see? Person they find money. That is why I say, if you don't want to do street hustling, hey, if you don't want to double up your also, if you're a Gen Z, if you cannot take the stress, please go to Europe where they pluck money within 1 month. You are already plucking the money, and I'm still telling you guys to tell me the name of the country. Can you see? This is the cream. Do not play with it. Do not joke with it. So guys, you see it's already absorbing in the face. So no cause for alarm. You thinking, oh, is this how I will be carrying it along? No cause for alarm. Sunburn is a very bad thing. It can melt your skin and make it look like you're an old woman in your early 30s. Like, oh my gosh, God is great, so great. So guys, this is all about it. Thank you for watching till now. Bye bye. Screenshots.